Did you hear the one about the claustrophobic astronaut? He just needed some space. Welcome back to Bobbville. Are you terrible at making your own out-for-you games, like I am? Well, it's okay. Unity offers a big ole buttload of assets you can import directly into your game. Go over to the Asset Store tab. Now, even though it seems they have moved, we can still get to everything from their Unity website and import it directly into your project. Just start by clicking here. The Unity Asset Store pops up in a web browser. This is a regularly updated asset store where if you're good enough, you can even post your assets here too. As you can see, there are many things to choose from. Game sounds, 3D and 2D artwork, and different tools and templates. And that's all fine and stuff, but we're beginners, so let's click 2D, then, pop open that free tab for now. Man. Like I said, there are a ton of things to look through and choose from. But now my goal here is to grab some type of free gun asset, so I'll type in 2D guns in the search bar and see what comes up. This top asset looks kind of cool. Now I'll click on it to get a better look. You can use these arrows to scroll through the different pages. Ah man, do you see that pistol though? Yeah, I gotta have that. Click on Add to my assets to continue. Once it's done, simply open in Unity. Once open, the Package Manager tab automatically comes up. Go ahead and sign in if you haven't. But then bam, right there is our asset we just added. Click on it and press download at the bottom right corner. Hit import when finished.